Alright everybody, welcome back to Murrell Farms. So today I am working on getting the two balers hooked up and back to running. We are gonna start baling hay this week. But we're gonna start baling hay this week, so I'm getting them up and running again. Mine just needs blown off grease, and I'm gonna pressure wash it. Same with that one. And then I told y'all how I was getting a new tractor, and it finally got here. So I've been working on it, getting everything hooked up to it. 7140's hooked up. Everything's good to go on that side. And yeah. So the tractor I went with is a Kubota M6 141. And then I had them come in and put 4 remotes on it. 4 remotes right there. And then I put 2 remotes there for the attachments. It's all skid steer attachments. So it fits all skid steer attachments. Here's a view of the interior. So you got your forward reverse, windshield wipers, back here you got windshield wiper and wiper fluid, lights, turn signals, 4x4, auto, all that good jazz. This is for the front loader. The button on the side is for the, if I ever have an implement sitting right there, sitting on it that I need some hydraulics for, which we do with our grapple bucket. That's what that's for. You got your 4 remotes. I had them put in a radio because these do not come from the factory with the radio. Makes no sense. And I ordered me a bracket, but for now that's how the baling monitor is going to have to be. It's supposed to be here Thursday, but we might start baling tomorrow, we might start Thursday, I don't know yet. So we're just getting everything ready pretty much. You got your shifter, low, neutral, medium, neutral, high, up and down. You also have your up and down right here, throttle, everything for your 3-point. So we're gonna see how good it does on this baler. I wanted a John Deere. I wanted to test or kind of demo a John Deere just for a couple of days while baling to see if I'm really gonna like it. But unfortunately there was no John Deeres around us that I could kind of demo. So I just went and bought this one, and if I don't like it I'll trade it in. But I messed with it I just got it last night. I messed with it for an hour or so. I got it with 3.1 hours and now it has 5.1, but it's been sitting here on the baler while I've been trying to change everything out for an hour and a half or so. But anyway, I messed with it a little bit. I think it's gonna work good for around the house stuff with the front loader, but I'm not sure how it's gonna work on the baler. So we're just gonna have to see. When I get it all hooked up, and I'm gonna have to pull it out and set my hydraulics the way I need them, and then I'm gonna take it for a drive while everything's kind of on, just to see how it does. Make sure everything is good to go, pretty much. But yeah, that's a new tractor. Nothing special. Much needed though. Also, this is the very first tractor I've ever owned that was brand new. My 7140, I bought it with 6,000 hours on it. It has 8,700 now. And my 8360R, I bought it with 6,000 hours and it has 7,500. So yeah, this is my first brand new tractor. It's really the first brand new tractor we've had on the farm since we started farming. So We're gonna see how we like it. Anyways. I'll turn it off so it'll be a little bit better. But so it came with the 540 PTO. I changed it out to the 1000 because the shredder that we have is a 540 or 1000, and the balers are 1000. So it just makes sense to go ahead and put the 1000 in there. And then I was just about to hook all that up, get everything hooked up, so it should be good to go. But like I said, that one's ready to go. I do have to blow it all out because there's still a whole bunch of stuff left from wheat harvest. So I'll get to hooking these up, and then we'll see how it does. And if y'all don't know, it's probably 40-50 mile per hour winds with 100 degrees here today. So that's always fun. Hey, that car just drove by awfully slow. Somebody else from around here was getting another New Holland tractor also. They delivered 2 of them, and I was like, well, I only have one, so. Oh yeah, I'm back. Sorry, this feller pulled up wanting me to do a survey or something like that, so I am back. Green. Ooh, the new tractor hydraulics are nice. That's the easiest I've ever put a hydraulic in. Just get all that cleaned up. Ugh. I said that, but that one did go in easy too, so. So during planting cotton, I had all these hoses bust kind of right in this area. So for baling, I'm actually gonna get it all nice and clean so I could look back here and know if it's leaking or not. And we're gonna be baling, oh, that's the wrong one. Whoops. I don't know how to take those out either. Huh. We're gonna be baling, tomorrow night. So tomorrow I'll be running a truck for the county. We won the bid to help them haul wrap and everything for the roads. So I'll be driving a truck for the county, helping them with that. Get done with that, come take me a nap, and then go bale from probably 12 to 6 o'clock in the morning. We'll probably be done before that and get moved and everything, but that's just in case we have some breakdowns and stuff. So be a good time for me to test out the new tractor. That's for sure. Ooh. Trying to think of how I want all this stuff in here. I don't like how close that is. Let's do it that way. So that way, all the hoses, everything's out of the PTO. Because we have, on our old one, the old one to that one of my brother's, the hoses fell, everything fell, got wrapped in that PTO, ripped everything out. Cost us about 10 grand to get it fixed. So, that's not happening on this one. Then you always gotta hook the safety chain up. So, setting this tractor's up is a little bit different because of the hydraulics. So, if you notice, they're all stacked up on each other on that one. And then this one, there's one right there, dun dun. So, and this sits higher than this one. The hydraulics sit higher, not necessarily the hitch, but the hydraulics are higher. So, put all my tools on the back of the truck. We'll pull forward a little bit, so that way I can mess with the hydraulics part and see how it does. Also, I'm gonna be going to my place up north. I got some pretty dang big weeds sitting up there that need to be fixed. You want up? Come on. Come on. She likes going. You could make that step. Still kind of got to get used to this cab. But so far I'm liking it, so. What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? What's wrong, guys? Hey!
Hey, Mr. Snowstorm, what's the flag?
Let's turn that off. Hey! Clutch, forward. Let's go to low. Make sure I can get out of here without hitting nothing. Be a lot harder than it looks. Let me release that parking brake. And low, this tractor is pretty dang slow, but so far it seems to work. And I don't know how loud it is on the camera. I bet that's pretty loud. And this is a power shift, so. I think it has 8 gears per selection. Okay, let's figure this out. So, remote 1. Need to switch those. No, that's right. 2. Up. Down. Which it needs to... I'm going to have to adjust that. But that's something I'm going to really have to do in the field, so I make sure it's not digging in the ground, it's getting everything right on top of it. But turn my monitor on and see if it. And yes, that's kind of rigged up, but if it works, right? You gonna turn on today or next week or? Aha, it's turning on. I know I did something right. I've never actually used this plug. And those tractors, those plugs don't work. So we usually just hardwire it in so it comes on with the key. I've made a whole 109 bales. Or actually 135 bales with this baler. So if that's working, figure out how to turn the PTO on. So, we run our balers about 1800 RPMs. Now let's see if I can weasel my way. Let's start at high 4. How about that? We'll take off and go. I gotta put it forward. Cool, so that all works pretty good. Super easy to turn that off. Let's see the door again. Opens up pretty fast. I'm gonna let all that blow away. Beeping at me because the door's been open too long. Let it down. Goes down nice and slow. I think that's gonna work. I'm gonna have to be shifting up quite a bit, downshifting quite a bit, just to make sure everything's gonna be working the way I kind of want it to, and little stuff like that. But anyway, park this right here. Go get that other one. Make sure those remotes work good, or how they should be working. Blow these off. And then see what else. I gotta go to town and get the chemical to spray my weeds. Go load up that foiler. So yeah. Anyway, I'll see y'all when I start blowing stuff off. Alright, let's get the pressure washer. Not washer. Oh no. since that's all cleaned, lube her up. Pretty easy job. Got the foiler loaded with some chemical in it. With some chemical in it. And I'm surprised I didn't lose that lid. Rode on there for 30 miles. Shoot. But we're gonna go spray stuff like that and the tank right there. Spray around those so the weeds don't get too bad. They're getting pretty bad already. But until the wind calms down a little bit, which is just about maybe an hour or so, I am gonna go ahead and clean all the nozzles back out. Tells me is the whole thing. So I'm gonna leave you on here when I go do that, because that's gonna take me a while and a lot of cussing. So I'll see y'all when I get done. I'll just go ahead and do this one. Set something right here beside it. I do have some pretty good chemical in here that it's gonna absolutely kill whatever it touches. So I might have to wait. I think something's stuck inside here because it makes a weird noise. Shh. Anyway, you just get your little wand and start spraying. I usually try to put quite a bit just so I know it's gonna kill it and hopefully everything else. And when it's pretty weedy like this, it takes like about a minute. And I don't mess with snakes. So yeah. So, and she just took a bath in the water tank. Cool.